I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the unique function in Excel. When working with large data sets, columns often contain a lot of repeating information. Instead of manually scrolling through your data or copying and pasting columns to remove duplicates, the unique function allows you to use a simple formula to instantly generate a clean list of distinct values that automatically updates as your data changes. Step 1. Open your Excel spreadsheet and look at the data you want to deduplicate. For this example, we have our list of the top 200 individual comic issues, which has columns for title, issue number, writer, artist, publisher, year, and genre. Let's say you want to extract a clean list of all of the unique publishers represented in this list without any repetitions. Step 2. Click on an empty cell where you want your new deduplicated list to begin and type equals unique, open parentheses. Step 3. Select the range of cells that contains the repeating data you want to filter. For our comic book list, you would highlight the publisher column from cell E2 down to E201. Your formula will now look like what you see on the screen. Step 4. Press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly look down that entire column and spill out a clean list of the distinct publishers such as Marvel, DC, and Image, with each name appearing exactly once. Step 5. If you want to sort this list alphabetically at the same time, double-click your formula cell and wrap the unique function inside a sort function by changing it to read what you see on the screen. Step 6. Press Enter again and your dynamically generated list of unique values will now be perfectly organized from A to Z. The unique function is incredibly versatile because it isn't limited to looking at just one single column at a time. If you want to find unique combinations across multiple categories, you can expand your selected range to include multiple adjacent columns. For example, if you highlight both the writer and artist columns together, the formula will analyze the rows as pairs and output a clean list showing every unique creative team combination on the list, ensuring that a specific writer and artist duo is only listed once. Here's an example of what that formula looks like. And here's the output. Because unique is a dynamic array formula, it features a behavior known as spilling, where the results automatically flow downward into as many cells as needed. You must make sure that the path below your formula cell is completely clear of any other text, numbers, or hidden spaces. If Excel encounters any data in the way of the expanding list, it will stop and display a spill error until you clear those obstructing cells. The beauty of this function is that it is completely live, meaning if you later add a brand new publisher or change a row in your top 200 list, your unique summary list will immediately update to reflect that change without you having to rerun any tools. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.